Good morning, guys. So I'm gonna start doing my daily vlogs like before again. But yeah, today is the day after the testing, and Banzani after a peak is a valley. It's so true for powerlifting as well. My body is like completely crushed, and you can see my skin ko pores haru pani sabai pop out bhairacha. Akha testo namro bhayo chaina recha. But yeah, the skin ko pores are all popped out, and I feel so fatigued, like my whole body नै feels like it's been hit by a truck. Literally sabai kura crash नै bhairacha. But yeah, that's a good place to finish this training block, and it's good to be completely wrecked once in a while. I would say moving forward, I'm not going to be gaining any more weight up until my next competition. So I'm about 102, say 102, 103, 103 the kaile puge chaina, but around 102 kilos. And I'll be maintaining अब अर्को competition कहिले हो थाहा छैन. It totally depends on everything that's been going around. We all know that this week is not going to be such a hard week because I want to enjoy some fun foods, which is very healthy, not for our body but for our mind. Ice cream मन पर्छ मलाई. I like burgers, I like fatty steaks, so all that food I'm going to be eating for maybe 1 or 2 days, so that doesn't cause burnout in terms of dieting. And I'm going to be very strict on my diet like always, and this is one of the reasons that I've been able to stay on extended periods of only eating boring healthy foods, is because I try to avoid burnout. Khanu man lagyo bhane ma khanchu, and sometimes when the situation calls for it I push through, and when I have some leeway, like it's the transition phase, and when training is slightly light, when I'm out with my friends shooting यस्तो बेला चाहिँ I plan fun foods and I eat the foods that I actually want to eat, so that prevents burnout. But yeah, म क्यामेरा अगाडि भएपछि बोलाइ गरिदिन्छु क्या. So right now this is my standing desk. I don't know if you guys have seen it or not, but I don't sit down working. I don't work sitting down because that looks all that stuff. I'm gonna be working मेरो क्लायन्ट्सहरुको प्रोग्रामिङमा. I was supposed to do it yesterday. कति धेरैले मेसेज पठाइसकेछ. कति धेरैले मेसेज पठाइसकेछ because yesterday I got super caught up. I was vlogging, I was lifting heavy ass weight. Some of them understood, but some of them don't know, I guess. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that programming right now and edit the last vlog, so that vlog, ultimate PR vlog. So yeah, see you guys when I go out. So yeah, going घरबाट निस्किरा. So I'm gonna go meet Neha for a while. So finally घरबाट निस्किरा छु. आज चाहिँ भिड हुन थालिसक्यो, and I have to go to Swambhu. Neha भेट्नु छ. So I'm gonna be taking the scooter with me. पानी पर्नु सक्छ जस्तो सम्भावना छ, so रेनकोट पनि बोक्नु पर्छ. Bike, scooter, so आज स्कुटरमा जान्छु because bike is a bit too loud, and मेरो vlogging setup is also super light. आज just the GoPro, if you can see it, यहाँ देख्छ होला, just the GoPro, and this also will fit inside मेरो fanny pack. And I wear a fanny pack which is so old school, but I find it cool. But the other reason is like मलाई I have like so big quads, मेरो पकेटमा सामानै अट्दैन क्या literally, अनि fanny pack जहिले बोकिरहन्छु, so I can put मेरो phone and मेरो like this camera can also fit inside, and the wallet. So yeah, that's the reason I have a fanny pack. And yeah, I'm gonna go now, and I will see you guys in a while. Yo, so where are we?
We're going now. We're going to Villa. We're drinking इत्ती Coke. It's not bad because no sugar. It has 0.75 calories, which is equal to no calories. So कति खाले पनि
कहाँ पाउँछ पनि भन्दैन.
यो चाहिँ अहिले भिलामा मात्रै पाउँछ. अरू कहीँ पनि पाउँदैन. भिलामा स्पेशल पाउँछ हैन कपाले.
भिला चाहिँ कहाँ हो?
Villa, it's with the Lukama, it's right in the center of the city, so please drop in after the lockdown's over. Phase 2 खोलेपछि.
So we...
Mask.
Yeah, mask, man.
You don't
You have extra mask?
No, I don't.
त्यसै तिमी मलाई ल्याइदेऊ न त. So basically, अब हामी चाहिँ यहाँ एकछिन बस्यो, साथीहरूसँग गफसफ गऱ्यो. We shot a video for समय. Oh, didn't we?
Yes, we did. गफसफ गऱ्यो अनि.
गफसफ हान्यो नि त अनि just socializing अनि त्यसपछि अब I need like one of my go-to cheat meals is
Ice cream.
so yeah, it's good to have fun food. It's good to on there. It's good to have fun foods once in a while to avoid burnout and not be like Neha Banu and cheat. Diet started like 2 weeks like serious whatever. So I'm just taking like this is like a bridge. Our next भोलिदेखि literally भोलिदेखि maintenance phase start हुन्छ मेरो. So I just wanna have some ice cream. आज चाहिँ एकदमै calorie एकदमै strict भएर नखाने, ice cream खाने, all that stuff. So we're gonna walk to Baskin and Robbins to have ice cream.
मलाई त आइसक्रिम धेरै मन पर्दैन.
मलाई त estimate लाग्छ है guys. मेरो चाहिँ favorite is black currant अनि अरू चाहिँ is always optional. तिम्रो favorite flavor के हो ice cream को?
मलाई I like cream bellको very strawberry.
ल अब हामी फेरि फिर्ता जान्छौँ. मौसम चाहिँ राम्रै छ.
अहिले त पानी परेको छैन.
पानी परेको
2
छैन.
मिनेटमा पानी पर्यो भने हो न त भए त पर्दैन. अघि हामी माथि जिम गएर त्यसलाई.
जिम पनि खोलिसक्यो तर यिनीहरू लुकेर. I'm not saying यो जिम खोल्यो but there are some gyms that's already open and people are working out but हाम्रो जिम चाहिँ अब खोल्दैन होला है अहिले.
I don't think so.
ल so we're gonna eat and then पछि भेटौँला.
चिकन टिक्का मसाला, झिंगा मसाला, बटर पनीर, पालक पनीर, दाल तड़का, बिरयानी प्रॉन, बिरयानी चिकन, बिरयानी मटन, बिरयानी वेज, नान गार्लिक, नान बटर नान, प्लेन रोटी, प्लेन राइस, चिकन मोमो, वेज मोमो, तंदूरी चिकन हाफ फुल, चिकन टिक्का, मुर्ग मलाई कबाब, त्यसपछि अलि धेरै नै. ल. तिमी do you want momo or not?
हुन्छ anything.
2 momo you want?
Okay.
2 chicken momo अनि you want naan types?
अघि अलरेडी पनि कति मगाइसक्यो होइन मगाउन त.
एउटा चिकन टिक्का
नान गर्न पुग्छ.
अनि 2 गार्लिक नान.
अनि अझै अरू के आउँदैछ भन त.
अनि मुर्ग मलाई कबाब अनि बिरयानी अनि आटाको रोटी. त्यो चाहिँ हेल्दी हो है गाइस.
So it's start of a fresh week. Monday bhayo. We're getting back to training. So it wasn't like a really hard week. So I'm not crashing that bad like meets or jasto huncha. So we're looking to compete in about 6 weeks, but that's starting to seem very unlikely now. So I think I'll be training gharmai and then waiting for the world to heal and compete. But competing is not a priority. Obviously it's only just for me to stay focused and all those things, and I want to feel like I'm going to compete soon, so that keeps me on track. But yeah, regardless, yesterday Saturday I enjoyed some good food. So I had basically 2 big meals unaccounted for, and I had ice cream, and I think that much junk food is enough for me to kickstart मेरो training motivation. And आजदेखि I feel slightly off because of the junk shit that I ate, but I'm ready to train. आज रुपेश दा आउनुहुन्न. He's got some work because life has to go on and stuff, so I'm going to be training all by myself. Since it's a Monday, it's a SBD day, so I will take you guys along with me to the gym. But जाउँला, exercise गरौँला, and then after I finish working out, I'll give you guys an update on what my future plans is for training and all those things. So yeah, yesterday was a good day. Now it's time to get back to work, so let's get it.
They say you hear my battle cry, say it once, believe the lies. See my soul in my eyes, hear my heart beat even when I die. Born preach, so I'm standing on my feet. Died twice, so you know Jesus in me. Year full of drama, like lines read on stage. Words out my mouth like a bullet out the barrel of a gauge. Forget I see better
So I don't remember the last time where I left off the vlog, but आज Thursday भइसक्यो अनि I literally haven't recovered after अस्ति नैको Saturday को testing, but I've grinded myself through Monday अनि Tuesday को workout. Yesterday was a rest, but I'm still tired. आज is Thursday. I've got a squat and a bench press session. But yeah. Oh yeah, I think I told you guys that I'll give you guys an update on what I've been doing. So it's pre-workout time. My favorite pre-workout, found it in a smaller size. But yeah, that's pretty much my plan. Competition schedule. I don't know if I can even fly to Bangkok and stuff. So don't know as of now. But let's say we're just getting back into like a building phase because that's what I need to do. And body weight, say I feel so fat, so I'm gonna maintain until I feel normal again at this body weight, so I can start. And yeah, we'll be building and be ready to peak within 4 or 5 weeks of notice. So that's the plan for now. And yeah, I'll basically I think just wrap up the vlog right here. Training splits next week discuss garchu. I've separated all the SBD days and I'm remembering so many things now. I've separated all the I and my coach discussing about मेरो performance at the last testing. We've separated all the SBD days to ensure that I'm not fatigued when I'm deadlifting, because that day I really gassed out. It's because of the excess weight gain for sure. So we're starting to do some cardio, like cardio, and I'm not going to run up Shivapuri Dada, but I'm doing like 2 days of steady state. So अस्ति नै we went to this ultimate adventure भन्ने ठाउँ. Maybe tomorrow I'll do something, maybe just like a small little 30-40 minute hike or something. So त्यस्तै cardio हो. I'm also introducing more rehabilitation work for मेरो breathing and bracing, to make sure that my spine doesn't extend or flex. So a lot of rigidity from here, and working on my grip strength as well. So grip strength isn't an issue, but I see 270 malka grip slip bhako jasto ho, but I think it's the bar. But grip is something that's a big limiting factor if it ever becomes a problem. So I'm going to be working on my grip as well. And yeah, that's basically ILEC updates. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you like the video and then comment down below. Give me some motivation to fight through this shit together, and we'll come with more updates next time. Thank you all.